Variables are subject to certain rules when naming them. We need to define the variables we created according to these rules. Otherwise, we will encounter many errors. Variable names begin with a letter or an underscore. No other symbol or number can be used. Second, if the variable name has more than one word, no spaces can be left between the words. Write your words adjacent or with underscores, but you can't leave spaces between words. This way, you have to define your variables. Special characters cannot be used in variables. Here I used the symbol for the pound instead of the E character. It is wrong to define a variable in this way and you will get an error. Finally, you cannot initialize your variables with a number. You can use the number in or at the end of the variable, but no variable can be started with a number. Again, in general variable naming conventions, you can start with a letter or underscore, you can't start with a number, you can't use spaces and special characters. There are some spelling types in a variable naming. The first of these is camel case. It is a type of writing that we usually come across in C++ writing. Until I met Rust programming, I was defining my variables in the form of camel case. The first letter is written in lowercase and the first letter of each subsequent word is capitalized. There is also the Pascal case spelling type. You can often find this in C# language. The difference from camel case here is that the first letter starts with a capital letter. Snake case is a type of writing that Rust recommends as a standard. It warns you when you do not use this type of writing. We will learn how to express these warnings a few lessons later, but I think snake case is a type where you really focus on the name of the variable and you can grasp what it is more quickly. Finally, there is the kebab case. You write the words of the variable name by putting a dash in between, as if you are making a Turkish style shish kebab. I do not recommend this method because you may encounter some errors when you use dashes in Rust. For this reason, I recommend snake case typeface because it is the default spelling type of Rust and it is more readable.